Hello, this is the HYCHIKA Precision Screwdriver Set, which contains an electric mode and a manual mode. All of the screwdriver bits are stored in a lightweight case to avoid being lost. LED light ensures accurate work in dark environments. With an extension bar, the screwdriver can be used in narrow spaces. Common problems and solutions. Firstly, this screwdriver can't be used in scenarios with long screws. Secondly, when the torque is insufficient, you can use the manual mode to loosen it. Then use the electric mode. Finally, if the machine can't turn on, please directly contact HYCHIKA support team for help. Thank you.